What's up, foodies? Today we are making a classic that you probably enjoyed in your favorite restaurant, sizzling fajitas. Making sizzling fajitas at home is not only super easy, but it's also way more affordable. And you also get to impress your friends and family with the signature sizzle you usually find in a restaurant. This video is sponsored by Community Natural Foods. It's a 45-year-old Alberta company offering clean, delicious, farm-direct organic products. Today they have generously provided me with some excellent organic beef from Topgrass Farms, known for its healthy and delicious grass-fed beef. So let's get these fajitas sizzling. Alright, first we're going to make our marinade for our beef. In a bowl, combine a quarter cup of olive oil, a quarter cup of soy sauce, a half a cup of lime juice, 1 teaspoon of cumin, 1 teaspoon oregano, and 1 teaspoon of mustard. Then whisk it together until it's well combined. Now I normally like to use flat iron steak for my fajitas because it's tender, flavorful, and it's still pretty affordable. The flat iron is cut from the shoulder, which is naturally tender and has a rich beefy flavor that will hold up to the spices in the fajitas. Now place your beef into a large resealable bag or bowl, then pour the marinade over the beef, ensuring it's well coated. Now seal the bag or cover your bowl with some cling film and refrigerate for 1 to 2 hours, allowing the flavors to infuse. Now let's prep our veggies. Go ahead and preheat your grill or grill pan to medium-high heat. Toss in 2 sliced peppers and 1 sliced onion and a quarter cup of oil until they're evenly coated. Then season with some salt and pepper and a tablespoon of oregano. Add the veggies to your grill, turning occasionally until they are nice and tender and nicely charred. Once they're done, remove from the grill and set aside. Feel free to vary up the types of peppers or add other vegetables like mushrooms or zucchinis for a twist on a traditional fajita. Now that our beef is nicely marinated, remove the beef from the marinade, discarding any excess marinade. Place the beef on a hot grill. Ideally, you want to use charcoal here if you can. It's just going to give it more flavor to the beef. If you don't have charcoal, regular gas will work just as fine. Now you're going to want to flip your beef every 30 to 40 seconds until it reaches your desired doneness. The frequent turning helps distribute the heat more evenly across the meat, reducing the risk of overcooked edges and undercooked center. Once the beef is cooked to just before your desired doneness, remove the beef from the grill and let it rest for about 5 minutes. The beef is going to continue to cook for a few minutes after you remove it from the heat due to carryover cooking. That's why it's good to take it off the grill 8 to 10 degrees below your desired temperature. I am aiming for a medium steak, about 140 Fahrenheit, so I'll pull around 130, 132 Fahrenheit. While our meat is resting, let's heat up our tortillas. Place your tortillas on the grill for a few seconds on each side, just until they're warm and slightly charred. Wrap the heated tortillas in a clean towel to keep them warm and soft. Now normally restaurant fajitas are served on a super hot cast iron platter, so we're going to do that. Heat a fajita platter or cast iron pan over high heat until it's very, very hot. I mean like ripping hot. Like it's like melting the sun hot. But be very careful, you can easily burn yourself with this, so wear some gloves, protection, don't burn yourself. I'm not responsible if you do. While your pan is heating up, slice your meat against the grain into thin strips. Cutting the meat against the grain is going to help the meat be more tender. Add 1 tablespoon of oil to the hot pan or platter. Quickly add the grilled peppers and onions and top with the sliced meat. Now to get that signature restaurant fajita sizzle, carefully squirt a little water onto the hot pan. The steam and sizzle is going to add to the presentation and wow your whole family. Now serve the sizzling fajitas immediately with warm tortilla and your choice of toppings such as sour cream, salsa, cheese, guacamole. It can go on and on. Whatever you like to put on it, serve it with that. Personally, I like a bit of hot sauce and just the veggies and meat. And that's how you make restaurant-style sizzling fajitas at a fraction of the cost. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe down below, and until next time, foodie, out.